Here's Catherine.
What is it? What is it?
Did he get in the bath?
Yep. How old are you, Catherine? You say, I'm number one. I'm number one. Alright, this is not a family affair. You guys need to leave.
Let's
go.
Oh, come on. We want to see the baby first.
Nope, go. It's not a first bath. Get out of here.
It's your first bath in a big bath.
Go.
Get.
Bye, Catherine.
Catherine, how does that make you feel? You want to thank you?
Big bathtub.
Alright.
You were so funny.
This is not going to be a porno, so we're going to have to wind this up.
Oh, that's real lovely. I'm going to edit that out.